Welcome back to Best Futuristic Gadgets. You were supposed to learn to cook properly. That never quite happened. And now there are AI cooking robots that have made that irrelevant. A robot that coaches your technique in real time, watching your pan, reading the food, correcting your timing before the mistake is made. A countertop machine that marinates, refrigerates, and cooks your meal automatically, starting dinner while you're still at work. And a device that chops, stirs, weighs, steams, and cleans from a single unit the size of a large blender. 5 AI cooking robots, the private chef you never hired, finally available. Number 1. Cooking well has always required knowledge built over years. The AIChef Ultra compresses that timeline to immediately. This is an AI cooking system that monitors your cooking in real time using computer vision, reading the food in the pan, tracking color, texture, and temperature indicators, and delivering precise coaching at exactly the moment you need it. Not instructions you read before you start. A chef responding to what's actually happening in front of you right now. The AI identifies ingredients, suggests recipes from what you actually have, adjusts technique guidance based on your skill level, and catches mistakes before they become dinner disasters. Overcooked protein, sauce breaking, incorrect heat, the system sees it before your nose does. Over time, it learns your taste preferences, your dietary requirements, and how your specific cooktop behaves, getting more personalized and more accurate with every session. Cooking used to require skill developed over years. The AIChef Ultra makes great cooking available tonight. Number 2. The hardest part of a home-cooked meal isn't the cooking, it's the timing. The Suvie 3.0 Plus eliminates the timing problem entirely. This is a countertop kitchen robot that refrigerates your ingredients, marinates them, and then cooks them automatically, starting at exactly the right time so dinner is ready when you walk through the door, not when you finally find the energy to start it. Load it in the morning, set your schedule in the app, the Suvie refrigerates everything until cook time, then transitions seamlessly to cooking, protein zone and starch zone cooking independently and simultaneously, so your entire meal finishes at exactly the same moment. Multi-zone cooking handles protein and sides at different temperatures simultaneously. Wi-Fi connected for remote scheduling and monitoring. A recipe library that handles the planning, so you handle the enjoying. Home cooking at its best requires presence you don't always have. The Suvie 3.0 Plus cooks while you live your life and has dinner waiting when you get back. Number 3. 21 kitchen appliances, 1 countertop device. That's what the Thermomix TM7 replaced them with, and what it replaced them with is genuinely better than all of them. This is the world's most capable all-in-one cooking robot, a single machine that weighs, chops, blends, cooks, steams, ferments, sous vide, kneads dough, and cleans itself, covering the full spectrum of cooking technique from a footprint smaller than a stand mixer. The guided cooking system walks you through recipes step by step, controlling temperature, speed, and timing automatically while you add ingredients on cue. The machine executes the technical steps. You enjoy the process without the stress of managing multiple elements simultaneously. The TM7 update brings an improved touchscreen interface, faster processing, and expanded recipe ecosystem, with thousands of dishes guided from start to finish. The Thermomix community is one of the most active in home cooking. Recipes, adaptations, and techniques shared globally through the connected platform. 21 appliances retired. 1 kept. The Thermomix TM7, and the kitchen got considerably simpler. Number 4. Most cooking robots do one thing well and call it enough. Nosh covers the whole meal, from planning to plate. This is a smart AI cooking robot with a vision system that identifies ingredients, plans recipes around what's available, and guides the cooking process with contextual intelligence that adapts in real time to what's actually happening in the kitchen. The meal planning layer works backwards from your dietary goals, your schedule, and your current ingredient inventory, generating a weekly plan, flagging what needs to be bought, and sequencing preparation so cooking time is minimized without meal quality being compromised. During cooking, the AI monitors technique, watching for visual cues that indicate a dish is progressing correctly, alerting you when intervention is needed, and coaching the adjustments that separate a good meal from a great one. Voice controlled throughout, hands stay free, eyes stay on the food, and the AI stays in conversation with you as the session progresses. Meal planning was a chore. Cooking was a skill gap. Clean plates were the goal. Nosh handles the first two and makes the third inevitable. Number 5. A private chef knows your family's preferences, manages the meal plan, and handles dinner so you don't have to. The Posha does all of that from your countertop. This is an AI cooking companion designed around families, learning individual preferences across every household member, managing dietary restrictions and nutritional goals simultaneously, and planning meals that actually get eaten rather than meals that were nutritionally optimal but ignored by the people they were made for. Posha connects to your grocery delivery service, identifying what's running low, building the shopping list from the weekly plan, and ordering before you've noticed the fridge is empty. The cooking guidance layer is built for family kitchens, where not everyone cooking has the same skill level. Clear, patient, step-by-step instruction that a teenager following a recipe for the first time handles as easily as an experienced home cook optimizing a familiar dish. Post-meal learning adapts the plan. What was loved, what was left on the plate, what dietary needs changed, continuously refining the menu around the specific humans eating from it. A private chef knows your family. After a few weeks, Posha knows yours better than most chefs ever would. Thanks for watching Best Futuristic Gadgets. Subscribe and stay upgraded.